Good morning students. Welcome to the maths class. Today we are going to see about exercise 1.3. This exercise is fully deals with functions. First let us see what is function. Function is like a computer. Computer having two devices. One is input device. Let us have the input device as x. Another one is output device. Let us have our output device as f of x. Here it having a function. For example, let me give two multiples. Okay, do x as 2, then the function 2 multiples. So 2 into 2, it gives output as 4. How to write the function f of x is equals to 2x. 2 into function is 2 multiples, so 2 into what is your input? Input is x, so 2 into x. Give x as 2 here. 2 into 2, it gives 4. If it gives x as 3, the function should be 2 into 3, 6. This is what your function. Okay, let us solve our example 1.3, question number 3, second subdivision. I given question number 1, 2 as your homework sums. Question number 3, given that the function f x implies x square minus 5x plus 6 and evaluate f of 2a. f of 2a. First let us see the function. What is our function? F of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. Here the given input like x as 2a. So substitute x as 2a here, as well as substitute x as 2a in the right hand side of your equation also. 2a the whole square minus 5 into 2a plus 6. This square is common for both 2 and a. So do the square. 2 square 4, a square minus 5 2s are 10, a plus 6. That's it. In next question, question number 3, that means subdivision 3, f of x minus 1. First write your function f of x is equals to x square minus 5x plus 6. Substitute x as x minus 1 because they are given to find the function f of x minus 1. So f of x minus 1 is equals to, substitute the value of x here, x minus 1 the whole square minus 5 into x minus 1 plus 6. It's look like a minus b the whole square identity. Then a as x and b as y. Substitute in a formula. A minus b the whole square identity is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Substitute the value of a as x and value of b as 1. X square minus 2 into a x b 1 plus 1 square. X square minus 2 into x 2x 2x into 1 again 2x plus 1 square is nothing but 1. Let us substitute the x minus whole 1 the whole square value in this function. X square minus 2x plus 1 minus 5 into x minus 1 plus 6. X square minus 2x plus 1 minus 5 into x minus 5x. Minus into minus plus 5 into 1 5 plus 6. Okay. Now let us simplify this. X square, we have only one x square term. We got 2x term here, minus 2 minus 5 minus 7x, 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 6 12. So this is what your function f of x minus 1 value. Next question number 5, let f of x is equal to 2x plus 5. If x is not equal to 0, find f of x plus 2 minus f of 2 by x. What they asked to find? F of x plus 2 minus f of 2 by x. We have two functions here. One is f of x plus 2, and other one is f of 2. We have to find two functions values and then we can substitute in this term. F of x plus 2. First write your function. What is your function? F of x is equal to 2x plus 5. Let us substitute x value as x plus 2. Then 2 into x plus 2 plus 5. Now this 2 is common for both the terms. So 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into 2, 4 plus 5. 2x plus 4 plus 5, 9. So we know the value of f of x plus 2 is 2x plus 9. Next we want to find the value of f of 2. First write your function again here. F of x is equal to 2x plus 5. Let us find the value of f of 2. Here we need to substitute x value as 2. 2 into 2 plus 5. That means 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 5, 9. Now let us substitute these two functions in our given term. F of x plus 2 minus f of 2 by x. Substitute the value of f of x plus 2, 2x plus 9. Substitute here 2x plus 9 minus f of 2 is nothing but 9 by x. We can cancel this plus 9 and minus 9. 2x by x. Again we can cancel this x and x. Then we get answer as 2. That's it. Next question number 6. Our function f of x is equal 2x minus 3. They asked to find the first question as f of 0 plus f of 1 by 2. Here we got two functions. First let us find f of 0. Before finding f of 0, let me write the function. F of x is equal to 2x minus 3. First let us find f of 0 here. Substitute x value as 0. 2 into 0 minus 3. 2 zeros are 0. 0 minus 3 minus 3. Next f of 1. Next function is f of 1. Now substitute the x value as 1 in the equation. 2 into 1 minus 3. Substitute x value as 1 in this function. 2 into 1 minus 3. 2 ones are 2 minus 3. When we subtract this, we get 1. The greater number symbol is minus. So minus 1. Substitute these two values in given question. F of 0 plus f of 1 by 2. Substitute these two values. F of 0 minus 3 minus plus f of 1 value is minus 1 by 2. Simplify this. Minus 3 plus into minus, minus 1 by 2. Minus 3 minus 1 both are negative term, so we can add this minus 4 by 2. When we cancel this we get 2. So the answer is minus 2. Now let us solve our second subdivision. F of x is equals to 0. First write your function. F of x is equal 2x minus 3. In second subdivision they are given f of x is equal to 0. So instead of f of x we want to substitute the value 0 in this function. Now substitute f of x is equals to 0 now. So f of x is equal to, that means 0 is equal to 2x minus 3. Bring this minus 3 this side, it will become plus 3. So 2x. X is equal to 3 by 2. We got the x value as 3 by 2 when f of x is equal to 0. Next, third subdivision, f of x is equal to x. F of x is equal to x. What is your function? F of x is equal to 2x minus 3. Instead of f of x, we want to substitute as x. Here, instead of f of x, we want to substitute as x is equal to 2x minus 3. Now, we can take our x value one side and our constant value in another side. So bring this x this side and minus 3 that side. Minus 3 becomes plus 3 and 2x. Already we have one x here. When we bring this x this side, it will become minus x. So 3 is equals to 2x minus x, 1x. So x is equal to 3. When we got x value as 3, the function should be x. Our fourth subdivision is f of x is equal to f of 1 minus x. That means we have two functions here. One is f of x function and another one is f of 1 minus x function. We know f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. It is given already in the question. So we want to find what is f of 1 minus x value. So f of 1 minus x. Substitute, instead of x we need to substitute 1 minus x. So 2 into 1 minus x minus 3. That means 2 ones are 2 minus 2 into x, 2x minus 3. Simplify this, minus 2x, 2 minus 3 minus 1. Here f of 1 minus x, we got the value minus 2x minus 1. Now equate both of this, because in our fourth question they are given f of x minus f of x is equal to f of 1 minus x. Both we need to equate both of the terms, both of the functions. So equate both the function. F 2x minus 3 is equal to minus 2x minus 1. Bring this x term one side and constant term in another side. 2x minus 2x become plus 2x is equal to, already we have minus 1 as a constant term. When we bring this minus 3, it will become plus 3. 2x plus 2x, 4x is equal to, when we simplify this we get 2. Then x is equal to 2 by 4. Cancel this, 2. 1 by 2. So x is equal to 1 by 2. Question number 7. Listen your question carefully. An open box is to be made from a square piece of a material. An open box is to be made as a square material 24 centimeter on a side. Side is 24 centimeter. By cutting equal squares from the corner. By cutting equal squares from the corners and turning up the sides shown. Turning the box like this. Express the volume V of the box as a function of x. First let us do, the side is 24 centimeter. When we cutting this, the height should be becomes x. When we cutting the corners, the height should becomes x and the length of the box should becomes 24 minus 2x. Let's see. They asked to find volume of the box. Volume of the box is equal to, after cutting the corners, it looks like a cuboid. After cutting the corners, the box looks like a cuboid. So volume of the box is equal to volume of the cuboid. Here volume of a cuboid, length into breadth into height, L into B into H. See your diagram, which is your L side, what is your length? 24 minus 2x. What is your length? Right, L is equals to 24 minus 2x. Breadth is equal to, breadth also 24 minus 2x. Breadth is equal to 24 minus 2x. What is your height? Height is nothing but your corners. What is your height here? X. See this diagram. X is your height. Height is nothing but your x. So h is equal to x. Now substitute L into B into H formula. 24 minus 2x into 24 minus 2x into x. Now multiply 24 into 24, 576. 24 minus 2x minus 48x. Minus 2x into 24 minus 48x. Minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4, x into x, x square. Again we have one x here, that is nothing but your height. Now substitute these values. Now simplify these values. 576 minus 48 minus 48 minus 96x plus 4x square into x. Now this term fully will multiply with x. This term fully will multiply with x. 576 into x minus 96x into x, 96x square plus 4x into x, 4x cube. 4x square into x, 4x cube. Now simplify this equation. Before simplifying, arrange the equation in a proper order. 4x cube minus 96x square plus 576x. Okay, let us simplify. Let us do this. First, take your LHS. What is your LHS? F of x square. First, let us find our f of x square. Write your function f of x is equal to 3 minus 2x. Here, instead of x, we need to substitute x square. Instead of x, we need to substitute x square. So, 3 minus 2 into x square. That means 3 minus 2 into x square, 2x square. This is what your LHS. Next, let us find our RHS. RHS is f of x the whole square. RHS is f of x the whole square. What is your f of x? 3 minus 2x. F of x the whole square. We need to square this whole function. We need to square this whole function. See the difference between these two terms. Here x square means the square is only for this x. Here the square denotes for both the function, the whole function. The square is common for the whole function. Okay. 3 minus 2x the whole square, because the square is common for the whole function now. So f of x is 3 minus 2x the whole square. It looks like identity a minus b the whole square. So we can use a minus b the whole square identity. A minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now what is your a value? 3. B value is 2x. Substitute here. A value is 3. So 3 square minus 2 into 3. B value is 2x plus b square is 2x the whole square is equal to 3 square is 9 minus 2 3s are 6. 6 2s are 12. X plus 2 square is 4 x square. So write in ordinary format 4x square minus 12x plus 9. Write in a proper equation. Write as a proper equation. Now what they asked to do? They asked to equate both the term. Now equate both the term. F of x square is equal to f of x the whole square. What is your value of f of x square? 3 minus 2x square is equal to f of x the whole square is 4x square minus 12x plus 9. Simplify. Bring all the term here. 4x square, then minus 2x square becomes plus 2x square minus 12x plus 9. When the transposition of 3 becomes minus 3, plus 3 becomes minus 3 while doing a transposition. 4x square plus 2x square, 6x square minus 12x, 9 minus 3, 6. We can divide this equation by 6 because 6 is common for all the terms. So when we divide by this equation by 6, x square minus 2x plus 1. Okay. Do the factorization. Simplify this. When we multiply, we need to get 1. When we add or subtract, the answer should be minus 2. What are the two terms? 1 ones are 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. So x minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to plus 1. X is equal to plus 1. What is your answer? X is equal to plus 1 and x is equal to plus 1.